2, 1.
Hi, my name is Evi Felarca, and I am going to talk a little bit about lavender essential oil. This is one of my favorite oils that I started off with, and this oil has done wonders for our family. Lavender has a very nice floral aroma, and it helps with emotional balance and even your nervous system and your skin. And lavender is very calming and soothing oil that can be used topically, aromatically, and internally. So to apply, how I apply lavender oil, I apply it topically on my inside of my wrist or my inside of my elbows, but most importantly on the bottom of my feet. I do mix it with fractionated coconut oil to help absorb the essential oil in my skin. And emotionally, when I need to speak in front of a crowd and I need help in finding my words, I apply lavender essential oil on my throat. Now, lavender helps with a lot of things, and especially when you're nervous, there's anxiety, it helps with sleep, skin wounds, or even burns. And there's many different ways you can use lavender. I carry the lavender touch in my purse on the go. This is very easily already mixed with fractionated coconut oil, and I love it. It's very easy to use. Just roll it where I need it, and it gives me an instant calming effect and helps me get through my nerves. So again, it's another oil that my family cannot go without, and it's a great oil to have in your emergency kit. If you have any additional questions about lavender, please post below or even ask your upline leader, and we will get back to you and answer your questions as soon as possible. Thank you.